Hi everyone, I am Nora King. I'm a real estate appraiser and I'm here to talk to you about some issues that I'm seeing in the appraisal world in this pandemic that we're all kind of living through in 2020. A lot of people reach out to me regarding these forbearance mortgages that a lot of people are talking about right now. There are 22 million people applying for unemployment insurance right now, and it's growing daily. And there are a lot of people that have been inquiring about forbearance mortgages. I do a lot of forbearance mortgage appraisals, and I have been since the fallout in 2007. And what happens is you inquire about one, and the first thing that happens is it triggers what we call an AVM, which is like an automated appraisal product. It's sort of like Zillow. So a lot of you, when you Zillow your home, it's kind of an automated model. That's what the banks do. And oftentimes they're not very accurate in areas like Connecticut because we don't have cookie cutter homes or we don't have a lot of subdivisions. So what will happen is it'll trigger a drive-by appraisal, and the appraiser will go out and drive by the home, and they're doing this because they want to make sure that the value is in the home. So they're going to be talking to you about things like, how does this mortgage work? You're probably going to have three choices in it. It's going to be balloon payments. So say you can't make your mortgage for 6 months. When you get back into a financial situation that's beneficial, they're going to ask you to pay it in full. Number two, they can ask for something called a payment reduction, where if your mortgage payment is $2,000, they'll say pay $1,000, and then once you get back on your feet, you can add the $1,000 more a month, starting until it's paid off with your next payment. Number three, it could go at the end of the loan. I think you're going to see less and less of those situations. From my perspective, what I want you to be aware of is that once you inquire about this, it does trigger the process of them actually looking into the valuation of your property. And it's something you might want to think about unless you have no other option, obviously, and you need to do this. But if you're thinking of just doing it because you're concerned about what's happening, you might want to wait until you absolutely need to, get a forbearance on your mortgage. I hope that helps, and look for more tips as we're going through this in the next few days. Thanks.